Hi friends, welcome to Blue World channel. Today we will try to understand about sovereign gold bonds issued by Reserve Bank of India. So without wasting any time, let's get started. SGBs are government securities denominated in grams of gold. They are substitutes for holding physical gold. Investors have to pay the issue price in cash and the bonds will be redeemed in cash on maturity. The bond is issued by Reserve Bank on behalf of Government of India. The quantity of gold for which the investor pays is protected, since he receives the ongoing market price at the time of redemption, premature redemption. The SGB offers a superior alternative to holding gold in physical form. The risks and costs of storage are eliminated. Investors are assured of the market value of gold at the time of maturity and periodical interest. SGB is free from issues like making charges and purity in the case of gold in jewelry form. The bonds are held in the books of the RBI or in demat form, eliminating risk of loss of scrip etc. There may be a risk of capital loss if the market price of gold declines. However, the investor does not lose in terms of the units of gold which he has paid for. Persons resident in India as defined under Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 are eligible to invest in SGB. Eligible investors include individuals, HUFs, trusts, universities and charitable institutions. Individual investors with subsequent change in residential status from resident to non-resident may continue to hold SGB till early redemption, maturity. The bonds are issued in denominations of 1 gram of gold and in multiples thereof. Minimum investment in the bond shall be 1 gram with a maximum limit of subscription of 4 kilograms for individuals, 4 kilograms for Hindu undivided family, half, and 20 kilograms for trusts and similar entities notified by the government from time to time per fiscal year, April to March. In case of joint holding, the limit applies to the first applicant. A customer can apply online through the website of the listed scheduled commercial banks. The issue price of the gold bonds will be 50 rupees per gram less than the nominal value to those investors applying online, and the payment against the application is made through digital mode. The nominal value of gold bonds shall be in Indian rupees, fixed on the basis of simple average of closing price of gold of 999 purity, published by the India Bullion and Jewellers Association Limited, for the last 3 business days of the week preceding the subscription period. On maturity, the gold bonds shall be redeemed in Indian rupees and the redemption price shall be based on simple average of closing price of gold of 999 purity of previous 3 business days from the date of repayment, published by the India Bullion and Jewellers Association Limited. Both interest and redemption proceeds will be credited to the bank account furnished by the customer at the time of buying the bond. Interest on the bonds will be taxable as per the provisions of the Income Tax Act 1961, 43 of 1961. The capital gains tax arising on redemption of SGB to an individual has been exempted. The indexation benefits will be provided to long-term capital gains arising to any person on transfer of bond. Yes, nomination facility is available as per the provisions of the Government Securities Act 2006 and Government Securities Regulations 2007. A nomination form is available along with application form. An individual non-resident Indian may get the security transferred in his name on account of his being a nominee of a deceased investor, provided that the non-resident investor shall need to hold the security till early redemption or till maturity, and the interest and maturity proceeds of the investment shall not be repatriable. The bonds can be held in demat account. A specific request for the same must be made in the application form itself. Till the process of dematerialization is completed, the bonds will be held in RBI's books. The facility for conversion to demat will also be available subsequent to allotment of the bond. The bonds are tradable from a date to be notified by RBI. It may be noted that only bonds held in the MAT form with depositories can be traded in stock exchanges. The bonds can also be sold and transferred as per provisions of Government Securities Act 2006. Partial transfer of bonds is also possible. The bond can be gifted, transferable to a relative, friend, anybody who fulfills the eligibility criteria, as mentioned at Q.No. 4. The bonds shall be transferable in accordance with the provisions of the Government Securities Act 2006 and the Government Securities Regulations 2007 before maturity by execution of an instrument of transfer which is available with the issuing agents. The nominees to the bond may approach the respective receiving office with their claim. The claim of the nominees will be recognized in terms of the provision of the Government Securities Act 2006 read with Chapter 3 of Government Securities Regulation 2007. In the absence of nomination, claim of the executors or administrators of the deceased holder or claim of the holder of the succession certificate, issued under Part 10 of Indian Succession Act, may be submitted to the receiving officer's depository. It may be noted that the above provisions are applicable in the case of a deceased minor investor also. The title of the bond in such cases too will pass to the person fulfilling the criteria laid down in Government Securities Act 2006 and not necessarily to the natural guardian. The issuing banks, SHCIL officers, post offices, designated stock exchanges, agents through which these securities have been purchased will provide other customer services such as change of address, early redemption, nomination, grievance redressal, transfer applications etc. Okay friends, we have now reached the end of this video and we hope you found it informative. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it and do share it with your friends as it helps the channel to grow. Also do subscribe and click the bell so you never miss another upload. Also check the description for the link of other